The guiding star of Alara. In the bustling town of Willow Creek lived a bright young girl named Alara. She loved to organize games and make sure everyone felt included. One sunny afternoon, the children of Willow Creek were trying to build the tallest sandcastle ever on the beach. But everyone had a different idea. "No, it needs a moat here," shouted Finn. "But it will fall over if we don't make the base wider," cried Maya. The sandcastle wasn't getting any taller. Ilara saw her friends struggling. She knew a good leader didn't just tell people what to do. A good leader listened. She walked over calmly. "What if we try something new?" she suggested softly. "Let's first decide what kind of castle we all want. A tall one? A wide one? A strong one?" Finn and Maya looked at each other. A strong, tall one. They agreed. Ilara then suggested, "What if Finn focuses on the base, making it super strong, and Maya designs the towers?" They started working together, each person knowing their part. Ilara helped by fetching water and smoothing out parts of the castle, making sure everyone felt important. Slowly but surely, the sandcastle grew. It was the strongest, tallest, and most beautiful sandcastle Willow Creek had ever seen. "Ilara, you're such a great leader," cheered Finn. Maya added, "You helped us work together and made it fun." Ilara smiled. She knew that true leadership wasn't about being in charge, but about helping everyone shine and making things better together. Ilara and the magic key of gratitude. Meet Ilara. She loved to play, but sometimes she felt a little bit grumpy. "Nothing special ever happens," she would sigh, even when the sun was shining brightly. One sunny morning, Ilara met Barnaby, a kind old friend who always had a twinkle in his eye. "Why the long face, little one?" he asked gently. Ilara shrugged. "It's just, everything is always the same. Nothing exciting." Barnaby chuckled. "Ah, but there's magic everywhere, if you just know where to look." Barnaby picked up a tiny, shiny pebble. "Look at this little stone," he said. "Isn't it amazing how smooth it is? And how it sparkles in the light?" Ilara looked closer. It was pretty. Next, Barnaby pointed to a buzzing bee flying around a bright red flower. "And listen to the bee. It's working hard to make sweet honey for us. Isn't that wonderful?" Ilara started to feel a little different. She looked up at the sky. "The clouds look like fluffy sheep," she giggled. Barnaby smiled. "Exactly. When you notice the good things, your heart feels warm." From that day on, Ilara started looking for all the wonderful things around her. She thanked the sun for its warmth and the birds for their cheerful songs. She appreciated her cozy bed, her yummy breakfast, and the hugs from her family. Each little "thank you" made her heart glow brighter. Soon, Ilara wasn't grumpy anymore. Her world, which once seemed dull, was now bursting with color and joy. Everything felt special. And that's how Ilara learned that gratitude is like a magic key. It unlocks all the beauty in the world, making every single day a beautiful adventure.